If your doorbell chime is acting up, like totally silent or just buzzing weird, chances are the wiring connections might be the culprit. So, first thing, make sure the power is off before you start poking around. Safety first, right? Then, check where the wires connect to the doorbell chime and the transformer. Sometimes they get loose or corroded, which messes everything up. If the wires look all frayed or rusty, just swap them out with new ones. It's not rocket science and makes a huge difference. Also, don't forget to test the doorbell button itself. A stuck or broken button can stop the chime from ringing. If you have a multimeter, use it to check for voltage at different points in the circuit. It helps you figure out if power is getting through. Sometimes dirt or dust inside the chime unit can cause problems, so a quick clean might fix it. Lastly, if your transformer is old or underpowered for your system, upgrading it can solve a lot of issues. Remember, taking your time and going step by step is way less stressful and helps you avoid missing something obvious. One of the biggest mistakes people make with doorbell chime problems is ignoring loose wiring connections, which can cause intermittent ringing or no sound at all. Tighten those screws and check the wires carefully. Another common issue is using the wrong transformer. If your transformer's voltage or power rating doesn't match your doorbell, it won't work right, so make sure to check specs before replacing. Lastly, people often forget to test the doorbell button itself. A faulty button can kill the whole setup, so swapping it out or cleaning the contacts can save you a headache. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the stress. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.